Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you guys how to design a autoresponder successfully in 2023 in order to make your business more efficient and your client business efficient as well. So I hope you followed up with my previous video. In order for you to get this current state we are right now, do check out my previous video in order to have full understanding of what I am doing right now. So guys, what I'm going to explain today is autoresponder. So before I get started with today's tutorial, I need you guys to do me a favor right now. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, comment in the comment section below, and I will be ready and very happy to respond to you as soon as I can. So let's dive straight into today's tutorial, guys. So once you've already created your GETRESPONSE account, you have 30 days of free trial, which I am still currently using. So guys, once you are done creating your GETRESPONSE account, come down here right now, click on this create autoresponder. So by the way, GETRESPONSE group sign up link is going to be in this video description. Do check it out and sign up on GETRESPONSE right now in order to start and create your own autoresponder today. So once you click on this autoresponder, create autoresponder, you take it down to this page right here. Firstly, you have to name this autoresponder. I named it my channel name, and as well as you can see, this is where we call schedule. This schedule section here, autoresponder settings. If I want to send the autoresponder message the same day, or like for 1 day or 2 days, like duration difference. So as you can see, the duration difference here, I can change it to 2 days, I can change it to 3 days. So with a delay of 1 hour after the new subscriber subscribe, they will get this autoresponder I want to set up now. And for example, same time as a sign up time. For example, immediately someone signed up, if I input this one, the person will get my autoresponder message immediately. But right now I want to make it delay for 1 hour. As you can see guys, this is 1 hour, and you can add any amount of hours you want here. You can add 4 hours, you can add any amount of hours you want to add here. So guys, before I get started with this creation of this autoresponder, I want to explain to you guys from my A4 paper right here in my hand how and what autoresponder means. Auto means something that can start itself without being monitored after plan or program. Remember earlier I said we're going to schedule this autoresponder. That is what we mean by program. So responder means giving reply to message or conversation. So now I want to give a full definition for both autoresponder at the same time. Autoresponder simply means automatic series of messages sent out to subscribers which has already been scheduled and programmed, and it activates itself without being monitored. Once you schedule an autoresponder, it will activate itself once it's time. So now you guys know what autoresponder means. So and right now I will start how to design a professional autoresponder for yourself or for your client in 2023. Keep looking at my screen guys. So right now, as you can see, this is my email that I used to send the autoresponder, and subject line I also use my channel name as the same thing. So this is design and content. You're going to click on design message. So once you're going to wait for a while. In this video I want to show how everything works, because most times I do cut off this part because of why it takes time to pick the templates before it loads. So I think I will pause this video for a while now, then search for a very good template to use, then I will show you guys how it works. So guys, look straight to my screen. I picked a template here, and so I'm editing the template. I'm done editing the template. As you can see guys, this is how my autoresponder message is going to look like in the audience. Keep and start your marketing with industry experts, which is us, me and my team. So our cutting edge targeted solution helps you attract the right customer, convert leads and grow your business. We deliver results oriented strategic marketing consulting services that include, as you can see, preparing a go-to-market strategy, content creation, setting a budget, setting core metrics, marketing communications, lead generation, and nurturing. So guys, ready to level up your marketing? Order now. So guys, this is a very good example of an autoresponder that you want to blast to your audience. So in this heading here, I added a link which is going to lead to my YouTube video. So how do I do it? I click on this, then I click on this link above here, then I pasted my link. As you can see guys, I'm just going to click on cancel because I don't want to update again, and that's what I want. And in this order now button, as the same thing, I'm going to also add the video description now. As you can see guys, if I want to edit this, I'm going to click on this button text. I'm going to, as you can see guys, you see this change here. So that's how to do it. And to change the color as well, I'm going to click on this place, and there's so many other color options here, as well as if I want to change the size, I want to change it to large. As you can see, it just increased. If I want to change it to small, and if I want to change it to medium. So everything here is very simple guys. Do check them out. Practice them, and you also be very good at everything. So guys, the next thing to do now is to save my template. So okay, I'm going to save it as, let me just add this link. Great. Just to save time, I have to just do that guys. You save it with the name of your project. Don't do that. Just save it with the name of the project. Then you click on next. So guys, after next, you know what's going to happen. I'm going to live this autoresponder now guys. This is the message. You are good to go. That's the message from GETRESPONSE. And I'm going to save and publish right now. So guys, to publish an autoresponder, I am seeing it now that I need to upgrade my account from normal account to a pro account. So guys, before you start setting up an autoresponder for your clients, do tell them to upgrade their GETRESPONSE account. For now, I can't upgrade my GETRESPONSE account because I'm still having some personal challenges with my card linking with GETRESPONSE. So thank you very much guys for watching. I really appreciate your time. Once you upgrade your GETRESPONSE account, it will publish immediately, and all your list and your links get this autoresponder whenever they subscribe after 2 days. Remember the schedule we added, and after 1 hour of subscription. So thank you very much guys. Do like my video, share it with your friends, and tell me how you feel about my video in the comment section. Have a wonderful day guys.